So today we can start module 4. These are the syllabus, okay? So you have to study about ordinary differential equations, solutions by use of Taylor series, Euler method and its modifications, then Runge-Kutta method, then higher order equations of initial value type, predictor correction methods, etc. So first, solution of ordinary differential equations. Those equations which is having only one independent variable is called ordinary differential equation, and those which have more than one independent variable is called partial differential equation. So we can take a look at initial value problem and boundary value problem. An ordinary equation will be of the form f of xy dy by dx d square by dx square etc. d raised to ny by dx raised to n equal to 0, and its solution will be of the form phi of x, y, c, c1, c2 etc. cn is equal to 0. In order to obtain particular solution, n conditions must be given so that the constants C1, C2 etc. can be determined. So if these conditions are prescribed at one point only, then the differential equation together with the conditions constitute initial value problem. And if the conditions is prescribed at two or more points, then the problem is termed as what? Boundary value problem. Now take a look at Taylor series again. Taylor series method, it's an example for an initial value problem. So Taylor series method equation is given here. Y of x0 plus h equal to y of x0 plus h by 1 factorial into y dash of x0 plus h square by 2 factorial y double dash of x0 plus h cube by 3 factorial y triple dash of x0 plus etc. plus h raised to n by n factorial into y raised to n x0. So here h is nothing but what? The size. Okay. So by solving a problem, we can apply Taylor series method, so it will be much more clear. Question is this: solve dy by dx equal to x plus y, given y of 0 is equal to 1. You have to find y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. You have to take step size as 0.1, that is take h as 0.1. So let's start. Okay, so first write what were all given in the question. The question y of 0 is equal to 1 is given, is it? So write it there. Y of 0 is equal to 1. It means x0 is equal to 0 and y0 equal to 1. That is y0 equal to 1 and x0 will be equal to 0. So you have to write it here. Then what is given? Dy by dx is given, is it? So write down here that dy by dx equal to x plus y, and step size is given as h is equal to 0.1. Now you have to find y of 0.1, is it? So look at the equation. It is given as y of x0 plus h. So you have to write y of 0.1 in this form, that is y of x0 plus h. For that, x0 we have already obtained, is it? So x0 equal to 0. So it can be written as y of 0 plus h is 0.1. So y of 0 plus 0.1. Now you have to rewrite this equation in terms of what? Y of 0 plus 0.1. So rewriting that, your equation will be y of x0 plus h equal to y of x0 plus h by 1 factorial into y dash of x0 plus h square by 2 factorial into y double dash of x0 plus etc. plus h raised to n by n factorial y raised to n into x0. So now you have to write the values. So x0 is what? 0, is it? So substitute the value 0 here. So y of x0 become y of 0 plus h is 0.1. Substitute the value of 0.1. So 0.1 by 1 factorial into y dash of 0. Since x0 equal to 0, y dash of 0. So you have to rewrite the terms like this. Now you have to find what? You have to find the values of y dash of 0, y double dash of 0 and y triple dash of 0. Now we can find all the values. Okay. So y dash from the question, it is what? Dy by dx, that is equal to x plus y. Then y dash of 0 will be what? x0 plus y0. So x0 is already we have obtained as what? 0, and y0 value we have obtained as what? 1. Substitute that, you will get y dash of 0. Now you have to differentiate this equation to get y double dash of 0. So differentiating, you will get it as y dash. Okay, dy by dx of this y dash will be what? Differentiating, you will get it as 1 plus y dash. So that will be equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then y triple dash of 0. Y triple dash of 0 is what? D cube y by dx square. That is differentiating this equation. This equation, you will get it as 0 plus d square y by dx square. That's equal to 0 plus y double dash. So y double dash value we have already found here. Substitute the value, you will get y triple dash of 0. Now you have got y dash of 0, y double dash of 0, y triple dash of 0. Substitute these values in the previous equation. Thus you can find y of 0.1. Then now in the question we are asked to find out y of 0.2, is it? So while finding y of 0.2, you can write y of 0.2 as y of x0 plus h, that is equal to y of 0.1 plus 0.1. So here we have to take the value. So we have to just take the preceding value. So in the above equation, while solving first one, we have taken x0 as 0, is it? But while doing y of 0.2, we have to take x0 as 0.1. So substituting the values, you will get it as y of 0.1 plus 0.1 by 1 factorial into y dash of 0.1 plus 0.1 square by 2 factorial into y double dash of 0.1 plus 0.1 cube by 3 factorial into y triple dash of 0.1. So y of 0.1 will be 1.1103. That is, we have already found here. Now you have to find y dash of 0.1. So y dash of 0.1 will be x plus y, that will be equal to 0.1 plus 1.1103. That is nothing but x0 plus y0. Here x0 is 0.1, y0 is 1.1103. Again you have to find y double dash of 0.1. Y double dash of 0.1 will be dy by dx of y dash of 0.1. So that is 1 plus y dash of 0.1. So y dash of 0.1 value we have found above. Substitute the value. Similarly, you can find y triple dash value. After finding that, you can substitute y dash of 0.1, y double dash of 0.1 and y triple dash of 0.1 in the equation, in this equation, and find the values of y of 0.2, and its value will be obtained as 1.24275. So this is how to solve a problem using Taylor's method. Next we are